All right, we got this seam ready. We're gonna do a first coat. I'm using a quick set mud. This is a 20-minute. I could use a 5-minute mud on this because it's such a small area, but I have to do other repairs in the house. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get this coated with a 20-minute mud. Since I dug out the old tape on the seam, I just have to fill in the channel. I don't have to bulge coat this whole area out, big heavy coat. I just have to fill in the seam. This is the best way. So now you have a nice repair without having a hump. They call it crowning out the seam. So I won't have a crown on my mud work after I coat it 2 times in texture. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a first coat. I also have the real video on my channel. The real video is gonna do the whole process. This is more of an introductory video for you to join my channel and watch the actual videos. And let's go ahead and get this first coated real quick. All right, I got a nice first coat in it. Like I said, it's not a heavy coat. We're just filling in the channel. We're gonna let that first coat dry. Always let your first coat fully set up. This is a hot muds that I'm using. They'll set up soon. So before they set up, I have to slick them out. You have to slick out before they dry. If they dry, then you're in trouble. So you always wanna catch hot muds before they dry. I have several videos on that technique of slicking out hot muds. But we're just gonna let this hot mud set up. If you use joint compounds you're gonna have to let set up overnight. So just let your first coat set up and then you can follow through with a tight second coat. Second coat doesn't have to be heavy. Second coat's just to fill in and make everything pretty. And then after your second coat, if it still looks deep or chattery, then just go ahead and do a really tight third coat before your texture. But yeah, we're just gonna let this set up. Hey, please join the channel. I have the video of the actual repair on my site, so go ahead and watch that video. Thank you.